tea. Sa pagbili ng toothpaste, dapat practical ka. For maximum fluoride protection, Unique Toothpaste. It's your toothpaste at your price.
Dalawa tatlo sa toothpaste na ito. Pagsimaan, nagkamali sa pagtikim.
Ayon sa research, 6 out of 10 Filipinos cannot tell the difference between Unique and the leading brand.
Leading brand na naman, Unique Toothpaste.
Gaya ng leading brand, ang Unique nagbibigay din ng maximum fluoride protection, fresh breath at healthy gums at approved din ng Philippine Dental Association. Pero ang Unique, up to 50% more affordable. Unique is your toothpaste at your price. Unique Toothpaste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Aking sinigang, favorite ng lahat. Pinang-apan ng sabaw, ang nalalasa. Karne at sabaw at gulay. Aking sinigang, lagi magic sinigang. Hati-hati sa sabaw. Lagi magic sinigang.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit at may malasakit. Ang Shield Bath Soap ay recommended ng Philippine Nurses Association.
Di biro maging nurse, dapat marunong sa sakit. At marunong mag-alaga, yun bang may malasakit. Kaya magaling sa lahat, kung anak ko, tulad ko, lalo't may pamilya ko. Kaya ang sabi ko, Shield Bath Soap. Galit ito sa sakit, nagdulot ng germs, may antibacterial na pareho ng sa leading brand. At may malasakit sa skin dahil may Shea Butter Moisturizer. May malasakit din sa budget dahil super affordable. Kaya naman recommended ito ng Philippine Nurses Association. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Mommy, Friday na? Ate, Friday na? Teacher, Friday na? Yaya, Friday na? Lola, Friday na?
Ano meron sa Friday? Ilang Friday! Kasama Saturday and Sunday! Starting June 60, your weekend sa Star City will never be the same again!
Yes, Friday na!
Watch the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, Star City na! The fun begins at 2 p.m. Star City! More rides, more fun!
Star City, let's have some fun! Go Star City, let's have everyone go Star City, for everyone go Star City, let's Friend, saan dala niyo sa picnic? Wow! Magyani! O ikaw, ano dala mo? Gusto manok. Ikaw, ano dala mo? Suko. Ikaw, Alex, ano dala mo?
Wala, kwento. Kaya tayo?
Ay, ganon.
Ganyan ang hindi nagbabayad ng tax.
Ay, naman.
Start doing your share by paying your second quarter VAT return. Deadline is on July 25, 2014. Paying taxes is as easy as RSP. Register, file, and pay. Visit knowyourtaxes.ph or bir.gov.ph.
Ikaw na, ang luckiest of them all! Aba, 1 million kaibigan! 1 million! Hatid ng Lucky Me Fancy Caton Original sa MBC Millones Grand Draw! Pagkatapos mag-Lucky Me Fancy Caton Original sa August 2, 2014, Sabado, sugod na agad ka Lucky Me sa Star City Activity Area. At baka lucky hour mo ba ang 5 p.m. dahil start na yan ng pamumudbud ng pera. You're so lucky talaga dahil mapapanood mo pa sina JM de Guzman at ang Sassy Girl. Get lucky! Lucky Me sa MBC Millones 2014 Grand Draw. Hatid sa inyo ng Lucky Me Fancy Caton Original Flavor. Urig na sarap na babalik-balikan. For DOH FDA CFRR permit number 0260 series of 2014.
We give you a smooth